and my event team, Team ELBON. Are you there? Team ELBON. So they were with me at Agra, and then we had parted away because in COVID we were uncertain that what will happen, but we again joined hands, and the team has worked so efficiently that I was relatively free during the conference time. So thank you very much. So it was headed by Mr. Madan Kak, Mr. Rajiv Pandey, Karan, Pankaj Soni was looking after registrations, and he was just loaded with the registrations at the end of the conference. Because what has happened in this conference is that the registration and everything has happened on the last minute. Although I was holding the conference for 2 years, but the preparation time was only 2 months because the movement started after 15th of February, when people showed interest that they are going to come, when the corporate showed interest that they were going to participate. So actually, it is a preparation of 2 months, where I had to execute everything into this.